Cambridge O-Level Physics Paper 1 Multiple Choice Questions. A man stands between two tall buildings P and Q. He is 50 meters from P and 200 meters from Q. He sounds a horn. He hears the first echo from building P, and 1 second later he hears the first echo from building Q. What is the speed of sound calculated using this information? So for first echo, the sound travels 100 meters towards also Q 100 meters, and for later 1 second the sound travels from here 100 meters to here for the second echo. So in 1 second total distance will be 300 meters. So the answer will be B. Sound travels at different speed in each of the three states of matter, solid, liquid, and gas. Which row shows where sound travels faster and where sound travels slower? State where sound travels fastest. A. Gas. State where sound travels slowest. Liquid. The fastest travel sound in solid, and the sound travels slowest in gases. So solid and gases, D will be the correct answer. What is one of the uses of ultrasound? So here one, cleaning jewelry, fluorescent tubes, optical fibers, and sunbeds. Ultrasound only cleaning jewelers. Thank you.